Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to tackle a question that has puzzled many developers working with Vault components and Livewire. Why do I get a reference to an internal Livewire file? When using a Vault component, this is an important topic, because understanding the inner workings of our development tools can help us build more efficient, scalable, and maintainable applications. In this video, we'll delve into the world of Vault and Livewire, exploring what's happening under the hood and why you might be seeing these internal file references. So, let's start with the basics. Vault is a templating engine that allows us to write more readable and maintainable front-end code by using HTML-like templates. It's a crucial part of many web development frameworks, providing a simple way to render dynamic content. On the other hand, Livewire is a full-stack framework for Laravel that makes it easy to build modern, reactive, and real-time interfaces with minimal effort. When you use a Vault component within a Livewire application, what happens behind the scenes can be a bit mysterious. Essentially, when Livewire renders your component, it needs to compile the Vault template into something the browser can understand. This process involves several steps and tools, including Blade, Laravel's templating engine, which might seem unrelated at first glance, but plays a crucial role in how Vault templates are handled. Here's where things get interesting during this compilation process. Livewire might reference internal files or paths that you've never explicitly mentioned in your code. These references can pop up in various places, such as in the browser's console, within stack traces of errors, or even in debugging tools. It's natural to feel a bit perplexed when encountering these references for the first time. The key point here is understanding that these internal file references are not something you've done wrong, but rather an artifact of how Livewire and Vault interact with each other and the underlying framework. In this case, Laravel. Think of it like the plumbing in your house. Just because you don't see the pipes doesn't mean they're not doing their job. Similarly, these internal references are part of the machinery that makes your application work, even if you don't directly interact with them. Vault is a templating engine used for rendering dynamic content in web applications. Livewire is a full-stack framework for Laravel that simplifies building reactive interfaces. References to internal files when using Vault components within Livewire are part of the compilation and rendering process. These references are not errors, but indicators of the underlying machinery at work. Encountering references to internal Livewire files when working with Vault components is more about understanding the tools we use than a cause for concern. By grasping how these frameworks interact, we can build better applications and troubleshoot issues more effectively. If you found this explanation helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth explanations of web development concepts. Have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next, please leave them in the comments below.